Hello, Art Maniacs! Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Mrs. Puff from SpongeBob. All right, so to start with, what we're going to do is we are going to draw the top of her hair here, and it kind of reminds me of President Trump's hair a little bit. Like that. It's almost like a little glove kind of thing. Okay. And then she's got a little thing on the top, which to me looks like a cupcake. Then what's going to happen is we're going to take this and we're going to go down like so, and then over here we're gonna come down like so, and then she's got a fin right there, and she's got a fin over here like that, and then this comes around to the other fin like so, and then she's got a triangle, she has like a little heart thing here, and some little decorative little things here, and then she's got her skirt. All right, and then it comes out and it comes wavy like that. And then she's got a little bit more of her body there. She's got a couple little legs like that. And then her shoes come down, across, back, down, across, back, and then it's got a little whoop like that. Oh, she's funny. All right, so now we're gonna draw her face. So she's got a great big eyeball here with some little eyelashes, and we're gonna draw a circle with a V in it like that. Then we're gonna draw another eye like so. Circle with a V in it, eyelashes, looks good. Let's color these in black. There we go, looking good. Then she's got this big nose that comes across like that. She's got like a little heart here. And then this comes back around through the heart like that, and a little mouth line, and then here's her bottom mouth line like that, and then she's got some little puffer fish spikies, kind of this is a different color than this, and then she's got some little circles on her fishiness. There we go, and we'll put her on Bikini Bottom, and there you go. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.